In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily change the navigation voice language in Google Maps. First, open the Google Maps app on your phone. Next, tap your profile picture in the top right corner and go to Settings. From there, open Navigation Settings. Here you can adjust sound options like mute, alerts only, or unmuted, as well as change the volume from softer to normal or louder. Now, if you want to change the actual voice language, go back to Settings and look for App Language, or go to your device's voice search or assistant settings, depending on your phone. This is where Google Maps pulls the voice language from, so changing it here will update your navigation voice. After making changes, restart navigation to apply the new voice. And that's it. You've successfully adjusted the navigation voice language in Google Maps. Thank you for watching this video. Please feel free to use the affiliate link in the description.